guys, welcome to another video. So today we've got something super special to take a look at. So I had a little surprise parcel arrive this morning from Madam Glam, and inside is Madam Glam's 2024 limited edition Easter egg. How cute is this box? The little bow on it. Love this. That is so pretty. So on the back, it tells you about the Madam Glam gels, the being vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula and HEMA-free. Vegan Easter egg recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of Egg Mania, collected from Easter Bunny's home. 3 drops of Magic Whispers, gifted by the Garden Fairies. 1 dash of Eggstravaganza from Madam Glam's laboratories. 1 sprinkle of Bunny's Freckles, borrowed from a friendly bunny. Mix it together and enjoy a glamorous gel manicure this Easter. Cute. Love it. So cute. We need to undo the bow. The lid pops off like that. Oh, look. Look at that one. That's cool. So let's have a look at the names. Soak Off No White top coat. So this one is Bunny Freckles. We've got Extravaganza. We've got Egg Mania. And we have got Magic Whispers. These colours look right up my street. I do like my pastel colours. That is so cute, isn't it? Well cute. So, should we give them a swatch first? Take a look at the colours, see what they're like. Then, I want to do an Easter design using them. So, first one is Magic Whispers. Oh, I love that. That is right up my street, that is. Really pretty blue. Next up, we have got Eggstravaganza. That's a really pretty pinky lilac sort of colour. Again, really pretty. I like it. Then we've got Egg Mania. That's a really pretty light peachy colour. Gorgeous. And then lastly, we've got Bunny Freckles. That's really cool, isn't it? Give that a cure. So that's what they look like all swatched. I've given them a coat of the Madam Glam's No White Shiny top coat on the top half, and the Velvet matte top coat on the bottom half, so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. I love the Velvet matte top coat. It's a beautiful top coat. Really nice to use. That No White Bunny Freckles top coat is really unusual. I've not got anything like that. It's really cool. It's more of a topper. I would use it over another colour, so that's what it would look like over the different colours. I would probably use it more of a topper, but you could use it over a clear. They're really pretty. I do like my pastel shades. They're gorgeous. These bottles, guys. I'm loving the labels on these bottles. How cute are they? I really like them. So we've got a bird on that one. Got a flower on that one. Flower on that one. A flower on that one. Yeah, they're really cute. So I want to do a design using them now. So I think I'm going to do an Easter design, seeing as though this is out of the Easter box. So I'm going to get it set up and we'll get cracking. So I've pulled out my red iguana hand today. I have used stiletto tips, but I've rounded the ends off. Do you know what, guys? I was looking through my tips and I haven't got no almond tips. Can you believe I have got a drawer full of tips and I haven't got no almond ones? So I've just rounded these off, but they could have really done with being a little bit more rounded for the design that I want to do on one of the nails. But yeah, they're going to have to do. They're going to have to do. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to start off by giving 3 of the nails a coat of Egg Mania. So I've just showed you me doing these 2 nails, guys, and then I'll do the ring finger off camera. Give them a cure for 1 minute. So now I've pulled my palette out and I'm going to pop a little bit of Magic Whispers, Eggstravaganza and Lightborn on there, which is that yellow. And I'm going to do a 3-way on this nail, so colour blocking basically. I'm going to do blue at the top, the pink in the middle, and then the yellow on the tip. Give them a cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm using the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. I'm going to seal all of that gel polish in on all 4 of those nails now. And then give them a cure for 30 seconds. Right, guys, so they've all been matte top coated. Now they're ready for some artwork. So we're going to start off with using Bunny Freckles. I'm going to pop some of that on this middle nail. And we're going to spread that about. And I want this in the shape of an egg. Let's put it in the lamp. Then around the edge of that, I'm gonna paint this nail blue. Now, I didn't know I was going to have this nail blue, guys, or else I would have painted it blue in the first place, instead of having to faff around with a detailer brush like this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Right, onto this ring fingernail now. And the reason I wanted these to be more rounded at the end is because I want this to be the bottom of an eggshell.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
So now I'm just painting like a zigzag at the top just to make it look like a cracked egg. Give that cure for 60 seconds, and now I'm painting a little chicken's head coming out the top of that egg. Sorry guys, I didn't realise I was out of shot for most of this. I don't know what was going on with my camera there. I think I might have been touching it with my head by accident. I've got a new setup at the minute and I'm really struggling with it to try and get it exactly how I want it. And then give that a cure for 60 seconds. So this is where we've got to so far. Now on this nail I want to paint some little embossed Easter eggs dotted about all over this nail. I have already done one off camera because I wanted to have a little practice run first. But I'm just going to show you how to do this one. It's really hard to see guys, you know, because the colour's ever so light. I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Now I'm not going to cure that gel polish yet because I'm sprinkling this clear acrylic powder into that uncured gel polish, and then I'll give that a double cure in the lamp. Now on this now I'm going to be doing a kind of Aztec-y sort of design, so like little zigzags and triangles. I'm using the corresponding colours, so on the pink I'm doing like pink zigzags, on the blue I'm doing blue zigzags, and again I want this to be embossed, so I'm not going to cure that gel polish. We're going to sprinkle some clear acrylic powder into it and then give it a double cure.
Can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Then give that a double cure. So this is where we've got to so far. Now I'm going to use the Madam Glam's base coat, and I'm just going to add a bit of that to that egg nail, because I'm going to use that to stick some little hexes in. So I'm using some small hexes and some teeny tiny hexes, and I'm just replicating the dots on an eggshell. You'll also see as well guys, off camera I did do the eyes and the nose on that chicken. All I did was 2 dots for the eyes with the dotting tool, and then a little triangle for his nose.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
Right, so once I've finished fanning about with these hexes and I'm happy with where they all are, I'm going to pop the hand in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds and that'll hold them all in place. Now I'm using the Madam Glam No Wipe Shiny top coat to go over that egg. I'm going to use that to stick these 3D flowers into as well. Cure that, and that is them all finished. Oh, aren't they cute, guys? They are so cute. They're not really my cup of tea, to be honest. I don't really do cutesy nails, but they are cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I really like these gel polishes, you know. They're right up my street. I do like pastel colours. They're going to be great for spring and Easter time, aren't they? I did actually go over that eggshell on that ring fingernail with the matte top coat off camera as well, guys. I just think it looked a little bit better matte than what it did shiny. Looked a little bit more eggified. So that's the swatches. So we've got Egg Mania, Eggstravaganza, Magic Whisper, and Bunny's Freckles. That glittery top coat is really unusual. I really like it. So yeah, I really like them. So if any of you do like the look of this Madam Glam Easter egg, it is available on the Madam Glam website right now. So I'm going to leave the link to the Madam Glam website pinned in my comments. So if anyone wants to take a look over on there, all you got to do is click the link and it will take you straight on over to the website. If you do decide to make a purchase over there, guys, don't forget I've now got a new massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam. So make sure when you get to checkout to put GG35 in there, and that will take 35% off your whole order. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.